last player of the last few years that I've heard about using that bat. Although, there's a nice throw down there second.
By the catcher behind the plate. That's Schropp to come up with a nice throw down to second, rewarded with the first out.
Now, our catcher's got a base hit. He's hit the ball good. He can play any position. And that young catcher behind the plate is 10 years old.
And he's made a lot of nice throws down to second, and he's quick with his release time.
Yep, he's 10 years old.
You gotta like
That's
his.
Rich's son, the coach's son.
Yeah, we talked to Rich before the game. He